1000 Sisters Amy Slayton's fiancé shows up for money grab. In a plot twist that no one saw coming, but some suspected all along, fans of TLC's hit show, 1000 Sisters, are now watching in shock and disbelief as Amy Slayton's whirlwind romance has taken a dramatic turn. The beloved reality star, who captured hearts with her weight loss journey and family struggles, is now under fire and scrutiny after it's been revealed that her new fiancé may not be in it for love. Instead, he might be after something much more tangible: her fame, her fortune, and a fast track to the spotlight. When Amy Slayton announced her engagement earlier this year, fans were divided. Some cheered her on, praising her for moving on after a difficult divorce and finally finding happiness again. Others were skeptical from the beginning, questioning the intentions of her mysterious new partner, whose past remained largely off camera and whose motives were never fully clear. Now, those suspicions appear to be well-founded, as sources close to the star have begun speaking out, painting a picture of a man more interested in cameras and cash than commitment and compassion. It all started with what looked like a fairy tale engagement, lavish, spooky-themed, and set during Halloween season, Amy's favorite time of year. Complete with cobwebs, pumpkins, and a custom-designed ring, the proposal went viral. But even then, some viewers noticed the odd detachment in her fiancé's demeanor. It was like he was reading a script, one fan commented on social media. He smiled at all the right times but his eyes weren't in it. That facade is now cracking. Insiders claim the man, whose name Amy initially withheld for privacy reasons, had been pushing for public appearances, endorsements, and even a spin-off show of his own. He wanted fame, plain and simple, said a crew member from the show who asked to remain anonymous. He wasn't into Amy until he realized how much of a following she had. Once he saw the fanbase and the money coming in from brand deals, he started showing up more and more, and not just for her, but or the cameras. Friends of Amy confirmed that tensions began to rise behind the scenes shortly after the engagement announcement. At first she was glowing, super happy, said one source close to Amy. But then she started noticing things. He would ask about her bank accounts, what kind of money she made per episode, and he even asked her to help co-sign a loan for a business venture he wouldn't explain. Amy's family, especially her sister Tammy, who's had her own share of controversial relationships, reportedly warned her early on. Tammy's been burned by guys who just wanted clout, so she was naturally suspicious, the source continued. She tried to talk to Amy about it, but Amy didn't want to hear it. She thought this time it was real. She wanted it to be real. As the weeks passed, more red flags appeared. The fiancé allegedly began showing up late to filming or demanding to be included in scenes that weren't about him. He even asked the producers if they could shoot an episode just about his childhood, even though he's not a cast member, said another insider. It was bizarre. He said he wanted to tell his side of the story, but there wasn't really a story there. In an even more disturbing turn, documents obtained by a tabloid show that the fiancé may have a questionable financial history, including several small claims lawsuits, unpaid credit card debt, and even a history of short-lived business schemes. He's been chasing a quick buck for years, says a private investigator hired by a concerned family friend. Amy might be his biggest target yet. Despite the mounting evidence, Amy initially defended her partner publicly. In a heartfelt Instagram post, she wrote, "Nobody's perfect. We all have a past. What matters is how you move forward, not where you've been. I love him, and that's all I need." But privately, she was beginning to question everything. According to a close confidant, Amy broke down in tears after discovering her fiancé had been reaching out to podcast hosts and YouTubers about exclusive interviews without her consent. She felt used, the confidant said. Like she was just a stepping stone for him to get what he wanted. Amy reportedly confronted him, and that conversation did not go well. Sources say he accused her of being paranoid and ungrateful, claiming he was only trying to build something together. But Amy wasn't convinced. That's when it clicked for her, the source revealed. She realized he was in it for himself. In the weeks since that confrontation, Amy has been noticeably more withdrawn on social media. Her once regular posts have dwindled, and when she does appear, her tone is more guarded. I'm focusing on myself and my boys, she wrote in a recent update, referring to her two young sons. Right now I am just taking things one day at a time. Fans have rallied behind her, flooding her comments with messages of support and encouragement. You deserve better, Queen, wrote one follower. Don't let anyone dim your light, said another. Meanwhile, the show's producers are reportedly scrambling to decide how to handle the situation in upcoming episodes. There's definitely drama, and they know viewer will want to see it, said a production insider. But there's also the issue of Amy's emotional well-being. They don't want to exploit her. It's a delicate balance. Behind the scenes, legal teams may be getting involved. Rumors are swirling that Amy is considering consulting a lawyer about protecting her assets, especially after learning that her fiancé may have tried to register a business using her name without her knowledge. That was the last straw, says someone close to the family. She realized she couldn't trust him anymore. What happens next is anyone's guess. Will Amy cut ties for good? Will the fiancé respond publicly and tell his side of the story? Will this relationship become another cautionary tale in the world of reality TV, where fame and fortune often come at a steep personal cost? For now, Amy remains silent, choosing to focus on her children and her health. She's been through so much already, said a longtime friend. She survived childhood trauma. She's lost a lot of weight, she's found herself again. She's not going to let some guy take that away from her. Quote, and that, perhaps, is the silver lining in this messy situation. Amy Slayton, the woman who once weighed over 400 pounds and battled every imaginable obstacle, is no longer the same person she was when the show began. She's stronger, wiser, and, if this incident proves anything, far more aware of who deserves a place in her life. As for the fiancé, his 15 minutes of fame may be up before they ever really started. And while he may have come for the money, he might just leave with something far less valuable, regret, and a long list of burned bridges. Stay tuned, because if there's one thing we know about Amy Slayton, it's this: she always bounces back. And she always comes back stronger. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.